Today we're going to unbox the Pokemon trading card game Battle Academy. It actually got a Toy of the Year award in 2021. Let's check out the back. Okay, let's open it and check it out. Okay, let's see what we got here. What we got here is the game board, the deck guide, another deck guide here, this, the manual, this, three decks of card, 1, 2, Pikachu deck, and the online reward code. Okay, let's open up the Pikachu deck. So there's one shiny card and a whole bunch of random cards. The Charizard deck. Charizard, shiny card. And then again, a whole bunch of random, no value yellow cards. The Mewtwo deck. The Mewtwo GX card. And a whole bunch of non-value Pokemon cards. That's everything. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.